After a long time, the husband and wife decide to cook something special today. They plan to make samosas and a flavorful mutton biryani. With excitement, they begin preparing everything for the cooking process. At this moment, the wife walks into their vegetable garden to gather fresh ingredients. She carefully picks green chilies, onions, ginger, garlic, and other essential spices. With everything collected, she returns home, ready to use these fresh ingredients for their special meal. The husband joins in to help, carefully grinding fresh ginger and garlic into a rich, aromatic paste. Working together, they prepare everything with care and teamwork. Now, she prepares the filling for the samosas. First, she heats oil in a pan and adds all the necessary spices. Then, she adds the boiled potatoes and cooks them into a flavorful mixture. This filling will be used to make the samosas. Now, the raw samosas are gently placed into hot oil and fried until they turn golden and crispy. At this stage, the meat is carefully cut and prepared for cooking. Meanwhile, the rice is partially boiled until it reaches the perfect texture. A pot is then placed over the stove, and oil is added, followed by a rich blend of spices. The meat is coated beautifully with these spices, allowing the flavors to soak in. Then, the half-cooked rice is gently layered on top. To finish, fried onions, fragrant ghee, and other special ingredients are sprinkled over before the pot is sealed, allowing everything to cook slowly and develop its deep, aromatic flavor. With all the cooking finally complete, the husband and wife sit side by side and enjoy the delicious meal they prepared together. Every bite is filled with flavor and satisfaction. After finishing their meal, they share a joyful moment, celebrating together in a warm and happy atmosphere, filled with laughter and peace.